My name is Gilbert Hernandez.
And my name is ShannonMuramoto.
The purpose of this screencast is to introduce teachers to the GeoGebra software. GeoGebra is a tool that can help students understand and make mathematical connections between abstract equations and their visual representations. So what is GeoGebra? The best thing about GeoGebra is that it's free. It's a software for all levels of education that joins geometry, algebra, tables, and graphing in one easy-to-use package.
Some quick facts about GeoGebra is that GeoGebra can be used to show graphics, algebraic expressions, and tables that are connected and fully dynamic. It has a very easy-to-use interface, but has very powerful tools. A useful tool to create an interactive learning material as web pages. Available in many languages for our millions of users around the world. Also, it is a free open source software.
So here's the link to GeoGebra. You can download the software at www.geogebra.org/cms. Here are some of the Common Core standards that we'll be addressing. We plan on using applets from GeoGebra to help connect to the Common Core standard, to connect to Common Core standard number 4, which is modeling with mathematics. So here, students will create equations that describe numbers and relationships. With this applet, we'll show that the students can create their own equations of the Pythagorean theorem based on their observations and recognitions of patterns.
So here is an applet that we created to visually represent the Pythagorean theorem. The students can change the length of the legs of the right triangle to derive the formula of the Pythagorean theorem. Some guided questions that can be used to help students come up with the formula are: how are these sides related to the area of the squares? Also, is there any relationship between the area of the 3 squares? The students should come up with the formula that the area of the smaller squares equals the area of the larger square. Hence, a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared.
Another applet that we found online was an application problem of the Pythagorean theorem. In this scenario, we have a ladder that's 5 meters long and a window that is 4.5 meters above the ground. So the goal here is for the students to solve the question, how far should the ladder's base be from the wall? This applet allows students to try multiple solutions with visual representations of the Pythagorean theorem.
These are just 2 GeoGebra apps that can be used to enhance student learning and promote engagement in the classroom. More apps can be found online.